Today I'm going to talk about 5 side hustles that any of you watching can do, and many of these side hustles can earn you over $1,000 per day, and most of them require very little or no money to start. So if you are serious with making money, make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss anything important which can be the reason why you succeed. So let's start off with the first side hustle, which is creating and selling product labels. This Etsy store creates and sells predominantly product labels and have made over 31,000 sales, and they have made well over $300,000. And product labels are things just like this. It's literally label designs which are well branded, which go on to different physical products. Now, believe it or not, creating and selling product labels is actually a lucrative business. Literally, if you go onto Etsy and search product labels, you'll see a bunch of sellers doing this. Now, you're probably wondering, isn't this a saturated market? Yes, it is. However, this can be considered a good thing because this means that there's actually demand for it. And almost every business that sells physical goods will need product labels for them, so there will always be a demand for it. You'll also get a lot more sales if you market yourself correctly and well on Etsy. Now, how do we make these product labels so that you can make $300,000 and more? Well, we're going to do this by using a website called Kittle. Using Kittle, we are able to come up with extremely high quality designs and templates for product labels without needing any design skills. All you would do is click the link in the description and go on to Kittle. Once you are there, all you need to do is search for product label templates. Once you are there, Kittle will present you with loads and loads of product templates which you can just go into and edit it and change the color and fonts. Now on Etsy, if you look at the product label listings, you can see the designs have been placed on these mockups. Mockups allow your designs to be seen on products so your customer has a general idea on how it will look. So to create mockups, we can actually go onto Kittle, go back to our design and click on mockups. I can then choose from a variety of products that I can place my designs onto. So I can choose something like this and then adjust it on the mockup and then click download. I can then create an Etsy listing using these mockup images I've created and add them on the list. Now you can either have a box for each part that they can fill out so that once they order you can replace the text using their brand and logos. Or alternatively, you can use something called Cordial, which will allow your customers to edit the product labels by themselves. If you want a full step-by-step video on how to do this, make sure you drop it down in the comments below. Now the second side hustle we are going to talk about is Amazon FBA. Now this side hustle can make you over $1,000 a day, and the best thing is you do not even need to leave your bedroom. So first, let's understand what's Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and it is a service by Amazon that provides storage, packaging and shipping assistance to sellers. This takes the burden off the sellers and grants them more flexibility in their selling practices. The program allows sellers to ship their products to an Amazon fulfillment center where items are stored in warehouses until they are sold. When an order is placed, Amazon employees physically prepare, package and ship the products. So when someone goes onto Amazon and stumbles upon your product and buys it, Amazon will ship it directly to your customer without you having to do anything. Now you're probably asking, where will you get the products from? You'll be buying products either from AliExpress or Alibaba and ship it directly to Amazon's warehouse. If we look at this product on Amazon, you can see it's being sold for £14.99, and this is the exact same product on Alibaba, which is being sold for between 90 pence to around $3. So they are making around 12 to 14 pounds profit. Now before you do Amazon FBA, you need to find the right products to sell. Now there are many ways to find the right products to sell. One way is to go onto Amazon and filter it by the best sellers. Here you'll see what people are buying. You can also see the most popular items on AliExpress or Alibaba, or you can use Google Trends to see what products people are searching for and what people are buying. Using this, you'll be able to identify winning products which people are buying online. Now in terms of dealing with competition with similar products being sold, there's multiple ways you can tackle this. You can either reduce your price so people are more likely to buy from you, or you can offer 2 products instead of 1, similar to this over here. Or you can find another product which less people are selling, and especially if there's a huge demand for it, you will profit massively. Now with Amazon FBA, according to Amazon, you can earn over $300,000 per year, and honestly anyone can do this because it literally requires no skill. I'll leave some guides down below from Amazon on how you can get this set up yourself, but if you do want a step-by-step video on how to do this, again, make sure you leave it down in the comments below. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now the third side hustle on this list is creating and selling digital printables. This person here, Planner Kate 1, sells nothing but digital printables and has amassed just under 2 million sales. She has made over $8 million in revenue. This is around $80,000 per month from selling just downloadable printables. Another example is this shop over here called Happy Downloads, and they have made over 175,000 sales and have generated over 1.5 million. This is roughly just under $2 million. And again, all they sell are stickers and downloadable printables like calendars. And we can use Kittle or Canva to create these downloadable printables, which we can then sell on Etsy. And honestly, this process will only take you a few minutes. All we'll do is go onto Kittle and click on New Project. Now for this example, I'm just going to create a printable calendar, as that is one of the most popular ones. Then we'll click on A4, as that's the standard printing size that most people use. Then just click on Landscape and click on Create. Now as we are creating a calendar, we need block squares with dates on them. Now we can just create this ourselves. However, the easiest way to do this is we're going to go onto Google and type in blank calendar templates followed by the year. And there will be loads of websites where you can download these templates from. Then what we do is just plug that into your Kittle project. And now to design these calendars is very easy. You have multiple elements and designs over here that you can use to design your calendar. And if you are struggling to come up with designs, you can use Pinterest to get some design ideas. On Pinterest, just type in calendar designs and look through the thousands of designs that are already out there to inspire you to create something. You can also use an AI tool like Midjourney to get some design ideas by typing in a prompt like modern calendar design, and Midjourney will then come up with these type of designs which you can then take inspiration from. Again, it's very easy to do, but let's move on to our fourth side hustle, which is social media marketing agency. SMMA, or social media marketing agency, is an extremely lucrative way to make money online. There are a ton of people who have become millionaires by doing this. Now you're probably wondering, what is a social media marketing agency? A social media marketing agency is where you increase a company's brand awareness and sales or drive traffic to the website through social media. And basically the way it works is you'll go to a company and say, look, if you give me X amount per month, what I'll do is create content for your social media. I'll run ads for you and analyze the results I get from doing them. And then I'll make minor adjustments to increase your brand awareness and helping you get more sales. And if you do this well, the company is going to keep paying you every single month. Now you can either do this yourself, however, the best way to do this is to outsource your work to freelancers. And you can get these people on Upwork or Fiverr. And the freelancers will charge you very little to what you are making with these companies. And literally you can imagine all this work being fully automated, and all you'll be doing is overseeing the whole operation. Now imagine you have 10 clients paying you $5,000 every month. And let's say hypothetically it costs you $1,000 per client for the freelancers. You'll be making over $40,000 every month, which is just under $500,000 every year. And the more you do this, the better you'll get, and the more you can charge to new clients. Honestly, an extremely easy business model that anyone can follow. So let's now move on to our final side hustle, which is creating and selling t-shirts. This is one side hustle that can be entirely automated and extremely profitable. This seller here sells nothing but graphic t-shirts and has over 90,000 sales. They have made over £3 million in revenue, which is around $3.7 million. And if we have a look at this seller, who again sells only graphic t-shirts, she has made over 320,000 sales and has made a revenue of just under $20 million. The potential here is crazy. Now the amazing part of this is just how easy it is to do. So let me briefly show you how it works. So we'll go onto Kittle and click on t-shirts. When we do that, we'll get a lot of different t-shirt designs that we could then sell on Etsy. And you can edit all of these templates to your liking and change everything from elements to the colors and text that are used. Then once my designs are ready, I can then use these mock-up features within Kittle to create the mock-up images of my designs. I'll then go onto a free print on demand supplier, which in this case is Printify, link my Etsy store, then add my designs onto Printify and create the t-shirts, which will then be sold on Etsy, and making sure to add the mock-up images I created earlier on Kittle. Then all I got to do is hit publish, and that will automatically be added to my Etsy store. So now whenever someone buys my t-shirt on Etsy, that order will go straight to Printify, who will then print, ship and deliver that t-shirt straight to the customer. And this is all automated, so I don't need to do anything more apart from creating maybe more t-shirt designs that I can then add onto my Etsy store. I have made a full step-by-step video on how to do this, so make sure you click that link over there. So that's the video there, guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share, subscribe and like, and we'll catch you guys for another video.